Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall completely Anaconda from your Windows 11 PC. So first you just need to go to the search bar, search for control panel, open the control panel. Then here you just need to select UI category to large icons and you need to find the option called programs and features. Click on the programs and features and here you can find the Anaconda. So just right click on it, click on install, click next. And it will show you where the Anaconda is located and just click next, click yes, check mark all of these, click on install, and it will start to uninstall from your PC. Now, as you can see, Anaconda has been successfully installed, so just click next, click finish. But there are some files are left behind about Anaconda on your PC. So we're going to delete that also. So what you need to do is just go to this PC, go to your C folder, then go to users, then go to the users that you have named. And as you can see, here is the Anaconda file. So just right click on it and delete this. Then go to the view section, click on the show and check mark these hidden items. And now go to the app data, go to the roaming. And as you can see, there's also a file of Anaconda. So right click on it, delete this. And after that, if you go to search bar, search for Anaconda, you will still find this Anaconda app here, which is the exe file that you downloaded. So if I go to the open file location, this is the exe file that you can just install it again. So if you want this to be on your PC, you can want it, or you can just click on it and just delete it. That's it. And after that, just go to recycle bin and delete all the things from your recycle bin. That's it, guys. This is how you completely remove the Anaconda from your Windows PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.